All right, Tuesday, thank you so much for being my guinea pig today, or you're my model. And we're going to show everyone today how to customize the topics in Destiny Discover to reflect your sublocations or your genrefied sections in your library. So we're going to start at Destiny Discover, and you're going to log in with your librarian's login so that you have admin. And then once you get in, on the left-hand side, you're going to use the 3 lines next to Destiny Discover to choose Admin near the bottom. And then Display Options, Featured Content. And then the first thing you'll do is you'll browse down and you'll see topics listed with a little edit pencil to the right of that. You're going to click Edit. And the first thing we want to do, if your catalog has already pre-populated some topics, you want to hide the pre-populated topics. So you're going to want to click Hidden next to those items that are not currently hidden. These are the pre-populated Follett generated topics. These are not specific to any particular sublocation or genre, and make sure you save those changes. Excellent. So all those pre-populated topics are now hidden.
And is there a save button?
There's just a done button. Sorry, I used the wrong word. And now you're going to go back into your topics again. You're going to edit your topics and you're going to click on Custom Topics. And we've already done a couple of samples here, which is great, but we're going to show how to add more. So go ahead and click Add Blank Topic, and you enter your topic name or your sublocation title. Click the drop-down box under Searches to find sublocation and choose your sublocation from your list. And these are for genrefied collections that are already using the sublocation. And then you're going to click on the image, because currently there's no image associated. You can use one of the standard stock icons, or you can go through and search for and pre-select all your images beforehand and go ahead and click Choose File. And then you're going to choose the image you want to use. And it might load in the right or wrong proportion. So you just use the slide at the bottom to reconfigure your pictures and accept. And then you really want to make sure before you click anything else that you save what you have. And then if we were going to add another one, you just go ahead and go back up to Add a Blank Topic, enter your next sublocation title, and then use your drop-down boxes to identify the sublocation and select your next image. At Eagle Staff, in our library, we have our genre posters are movie posters, well-known books that have become movies. And so I decided in ours that I was going to use those same movie posters. I know, Tuesday, you're using some images from Adobe Spark, which is awesome. To have them pre-selected or loaded is really helpful. It streamlines this process. Awesome, and then you're going to want to save that. And now that you have these 4 here, go ahead and go back to the top, and you're going to click Done, and then you're going to click Close. And in order to, what we found through trial and error, in order to get them to save properly, you're going to go back to your 3 lines next to Destiny Discover, and go ahead and click on Destiny Back Office. It's like a click out, and then go ahead and click back into Destiny Discover. And fingers crossed,
right?
Yeah, exactly. It's a hard reboot. And let's browse down and say a magic word. Yay! Yay! We did it. That was awesome. Did you have anything you wanted to say or mention before we end this video?
Oh, only that It's been helpful. I already have students who've been using the learning links up here. So that's for a different video and a different time. But thank you, Rebecca. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. See you later.